Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you this beautiful quick and easy wear and go wig from Wig Fever. This is their silky straight wear and go 100% glueless wig. I have it in 24 inches and 180% density. This wig is a true wear and go wig. It takes 3 seconds to install. It's quick and easy, no glue, no gel, no hairspray, and it also comes with a nice pre-plucked natural hairline. The lace is pre-cut, and of course we have a nice pre-bleached lace, so it is giving invisible knots, you guys. And yes, she is HD. Okay, so here's the wig. I just mentioned all the details, but this is 24 inches and 180% density, and the texture is silky straight. Now I want you guys to pay attention to that lace. That pre-plucked hairline is looking extremely natural, and also the lace is giving invisible HD knots. I am in love. We love wigs like this, okay? I don't want to have anything to do when I purchase a wig anymore. So the wig cap is a nice dome cap, which is stretchy and breathable, and then of course you have that adjustable elastic band as well. And I will be giving you guys a close-up of that lace, which is their upgraded 7x4. So as you can see, you do have a lot of lace room here to do different parting styles, and I don't know if you guys caught it in the beginning, I will be showing you different parting styles in this video as well, because y'all know I love to stick with a nice middle part for my silky straight bust downs, but I will be giving you guys different parting styles also. So the first thing you want to do is just add some foundation onto that lace. Even though it is invisible knots in HD, you still want the lace to mimic your skin tone as much as possible. Adjust that adjustable strap to your preference, and then just go ahead and throw the wig on. Once the wig is nice and secure, I do like to go ahead and just comb the hair back using my wax stick and my hot comb, just to ensure that there's no additional hair in my face. That way I get a nice clear view of that lace, and then I will be dabbing a little bit more foundation right at the edge of that lace, just to make sure everything is looking natural and seamless. And of course I'll be giving you guys close-ups as well. Okay, so I'm just clipping the hair out of the way, and I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. Now as you guys can see, you see the lace just a little bit, so I'm just going to dab some foundation right at the edges here, and she is just going to disappear. This is giving true HD invisible knots, you guys. This lace is just absolutely beautiful, and she is melting without me having to do a lot of work. So yeah, I was happy with that. And again, you do not have to use any product to make her look that way, which is great. That way you can actually save your edges. So for all my beginners out there, this is the perfect slip on and go wig for you. So now I'm just going to use my method of my wax stick and my hot comb, just to ensure that the top of this wig is laying flat. While I am doing this method, I do just want you guys to pay attention as to how much lace room this wig has. Remember, I'll be showing you guys a middle part and both side parts as well, but I do want you guys to notice that as I am parting, the lace is going back pretty far, and she also comes down pretty far as well. This is their upgraded lace, so you do have a lot of lace room. So now that both sides are finished and they are laying nice and flat, I'm just adding a little bit of lighter foundation into the middle part, and then I'm going in with my mascara wand just to define my middle part. I'm real picky when it comes to my parting areas, you guys, sorry. I just really wanted her to be real defined. So again, I'm going in with my wax stick and my hot comb because I'm extra, and I am just going over any pieces that I feel like could be just a tad bit flatter, and that was pretty much it. Now technically the install is officially finished, and I know you guys see how beautiful and how rich and how luxurious this lace and this hair is looking already. I'm sliding the comb underneath just to show you guys that yes, she is still 100% glueless, and I did not sneak and use any product, all right? So of course this hair is straight, she comes out the box straight, but again, she just came out the box. So I'm going to touch up a couple of pieces with my flat iron. The hair took to the flat iron very well. I did not have any burnt pieces. That's a shame if you ever have that with a wig. Oh my goodness, the hair did not burn at all. She did not have any excessive shedding. She did not have any tangling or anything like that. She was nice, silky, and smooth and straight, and I did not have to use any product like any oil or anything like that to get the hair looking shiny. This is the true quality of the hair, so yeah, definitely a goodie. Okay, so we are officially finished, you guys. I told you it was a nice 3-second wear and go wig install. We just threw her on, touched up a couple of things, and that is it. And of course, once you do this for the very first time and you come home from work, school, wherever, you can literally just take this wig right off, sit her on your mannequin head, and then throw her on the next day, and you don't have anything to do. So that's one main reason why I recommend this wig to beginners or just my girls who like to keep it simple like me. It does not matter how much experience I have with wigs, I like to keep it simple. So wigs like this are perfect, definitely worth the investment. And as you guys can see, she is nice and flowy, and even though she is glueless, she is 100% secure. So here is the first different parting style that I did. She is looking really cute. I love me a good middle part, but this was eating, I'm sorry, like she was looking really good. Go ahead and switch sides, girl. You have a lot of lace room, and this is how she came out. So make sure you guys check out my description box down below. Everything will be listed there. Thank you so much for tuning in. Shout out to Wig Fever, and I'll see you guys next time.